Large cleared corner lot on this busy Horizon Road and Ranch Trail. It is an amazing location for a medical practice, dental, retail strip, restaurant, or any commercial business. Being sold for land value. Buy one 2.308, tract or both 2.491. They include 4.80 acres. There is a 2,832 square feet green barn at the back. No showings or trespassing. Close to Presbyterian Hospital, Pullen Cain School, and across from Buffalo Creek Subdivision and Golf Course. Quick access to Highway 30 and 205 also. The survey is available.